So what's our new plan for putting posts in with the dozer?
Well, one of the problems we've had is if you try and tie it to the blade so it doesn't slide either way, as the blade goes up and down, the geometry changes, the top of the blade pulls away from the post and it breaks chains, ratchet straps, whatever you use. And if you make it too loose to allow for that, it can flop sideways.
Yep.
So I had this plan to make a forky thing, just a V basically, a rigid V to hold the log in so it can't move that way.
Yep.
Or much. And then just tie it loose to the blade so it doesn't fall right over.
So they're just like guide poles sort of thing. Yeah.
And then I was always going to fabricate something up in steel and even weld it on, then cut it off later when we finish with it or whatever. But I was thinking this morning, while I was waiting for you to turn up, Tarn,
Yep.
that might be able to improvise something.
Here comes the old man with another one. We've got a few more holes dug. Bit of repetition at this phase in the construction. Just got to get through them. Yep. It's looking pretty good. There's already someone living in the hole. Might have to evict him.
Is it a funnel web?
No, I think it's just a huntsman.
Well, there's no good thinking it's a huntsman. suppose that improvised fork on the blade of the dozer worked well.
Yes, it did work really well. Took the drama out of that.
They're like a cant hook. You got to love an effective, simple tool.
Yep. Reminds me of some other people.
Well, I think I've been referred to as a simple tool more than once.
I know I have, that's for sure. So we're ready to go with the concrete, I think.
Yep.
Line the post up, do our high-tech post alignment technique. Look at it with a straight stick and see if it fits. It's going to be a formidable structure. Rightio. Another one planted in the ground. Grow up to be a beautiful cabin. Our high-tech measuring, laser guided spirit level holding. Instinct, pure instinct.
I say if anything we moved it too far.
Moved it too far.
Almost.
Final adjustments. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good there, I reckon. Glue it in there, mate.
We'll glue it in, throw a bit of PVA in.
Yeah.
I think we should have smoko first though.
Oh yes.
Yep.
Time to break my fast.
That's right. Intermittent fasting. That's how it's done.
Yep.
That's how you stay.
I don't eat for minutes at a time.
Yeah, that's right. We go a long time without snacking. No, it's looking pretty good now.